everyone, I'm Simone. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to be opening up my Disney pink a la mode box. So let's get right into it. This is my second Disney one, and before that I ordered Pixar. Now for the ones that don't know what these, because I do think these are new, but there's three different types of boxes. You have the Disney, the Pixar, and the what's it called, Star Wars. They're all $50. All of them have between 5 to 6 items, and each box has one crossbow, which is included in the 5 to 6 items. And I don't know, did I mention it's $50 and $7.75 for tax? So okay, I'm not gonna look, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. I hope you guys can see it. So let's get started, and I'm just gonna dig in. I think I'm gonna start with my crossbow. Oh my god! No, I absolutely love it. I love Minnie. Last week, I think it was last week. Let's start with the bag. Minnie. I got Mickey. I'm more of a Minnie fan, but it, as I always say, they all look the same. It has this, a pocket, and then inside, they're perfect for when you're just strolling around the park. There is nothing inside. I don't even think it has a small it has a small pocket in here. But isn't it cute? I love it. You can fit your wallet, your glasses, your cell phone. Yeah. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, is that one of those? Oh, FigPin. I got one last week of Snow White, and now it's Aurora. Now, I'm not a big Aurora or Cinderella fan, but let me see if you guys can see it better. That light. Maybe if I move it a bit. There we go. I mean, they're so big. I mean, she looks very pretty. I have to say that. Oh, and then here, this is what she looks like. Let me see. Because it is pretty pin. I don't think it's going to work. Set light. Okay, don't want to look. Okay, so I got that in my last box, which I got. Who did I get? Jasmine. I got it twice. It's like a keychain. I really don't know what it's supposed to be, but you collect them all these characters, and then you have, of course, 2 chasers. Oh, that's from Raya. I like that movie. It was neat, but it's not something I collect. Now, it does feel like it's one of the figurines. Okay, let's open it and see. Where to open it is the question. I think who I would want is Raya. Oh, what's that one called? Oh, he's a chaser. Let me show you guys again. I don't know if I did. You know, that thing that she's rolling around with. So it is, I don't know, she wasn't one of my favorite characters. Unfortunately, I can't read it. It's so, the dragon. I don't know. But this is what they look like, and I'm confused. They're supposed to be, I don't know what they're called. I guess they're keychains. I don't know. It's okay. It's not something, yeah. So that's 3 items so far. Let's open a magnet of another villain. Okay. I can start. This is like my 3rd magnet. I'm gonna start collecting them, right? I got Ratatouille. I got this one now. And the first one, I don't. Oh, Cars. So So I don't know which one this is though, and it's so small I can't read it. So let me know in the comment below. Okay, so we got 4. We got 1 or 2 more left. Poster, which I am the poster pins, which I do collect, and I've been wanting Pinocchio, Snow White, or Alice in Wonderland. So last time I got the Lady in the Tramp, and it is actually a pretty pin. But I was collecting them for a while. Oh, my head's cut off. But I kept on getting Bambi and Bambi and Bambi over and over. I just got tired of it. All right, let's see. Let's hope it's not one I have. Oh, it's Peter Pan. I have Peter Pan. I don't even think I'm gonna finish this collection. It's hard. I mean, it's a pretty collection, but I just keep on getting... Oh, and that pouch. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna, like, stop... because this is my second Disney one, and the other one had a FigPin in it. They all have a magnet. They all have a pin. And I thought I really liked them, but it's just... I don't know. I don't know what to do with all these magnets if I keep on ordering. Oh, come on. Moana. Wasn't one of my favorite movies. It was kind of short, too much, I think, singing. But it's neat. I mean, you can use it for pencils or makeup. It's just basic in here. And then it has, I don't remember this chicken, the name of the chicken. So once again, if you guys want to leave me a comment below and let me know. It's cute, I guess. But God, I'm just... Now I have another Peter Pan. So if you guys want to trade, I have Peter Pan. Okay, out of everything you guys saw, let me know which one or what you like the most. I don't know, but I don't know. It's a big pin. I don't know if I'm going to take it out or not. But my favorite one, of course, is this crossbow mini. Adorable. And I can't wait to use it. Unfortunately, I can't put anything else in there, like my treats or anything that I buy every time I go to Disney, or my stacks of pins. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Once again, let me know what you like out of this box, or if you ever ordered one of them before. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So guys, have a good weekend. It's Friday. Until next time, ciao ciao.